Hey, to measure the blood oxygen level on the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3, you have to just turn on this device and then keep swapping to the left side until you will be able to add tiles. Just click right here and now select the blood oxygen. Then you have to just put this watch on your wrist. For sure you have to put it correctly, like wear it tight, and then you have to click to measure. And now you can even, sit down or lay down and just wait until this measurement will pop on the screen. So it will take around like 10 or 15 seconds until we hit the 100%. So we have to remember to put it tight on your wrist because it's actually measuring, it's using the sensor that is actually sticking with your skin. So now we got 99%. Okay, and as you can see, I've got the incorrect data because I just have to put it a little bit like higher, and also I have to put it, wear this on my wrist, so you know what I mean probably. So that's how we can do this right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.